everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. So today I have a little bit of a speciality build today. So I have here my very own custom spaceman. Spaceman Joey is his name, in his lovely black and red spacesuit. And today we are going to be building a teeny tiny jetpack for him to fly around in space. A little bit of a personal spacecraft. And I will show you how to make it. And I will be introducing the pieces as I go along. So feel free to pause it in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's get started. There's a lot of special, small special pieces that are very hard to find. So don't worry if you don't have them all. You can always experiment with your own pieces as well. But first things first, let's start making the back of the jetpack. So we're going to be using a 2x4 base plate in this red. We're going to just place it down like this. And on top of that, we're going to attach this side attachment brick plate, half brick, half plate. Just gonna stick it down like this, and we're gonna smooth things off with a few simple slopes like these ones in black. We're just gonna attach one over here and another over here to make it nice and smooth. Now this is the back section of our jetpack, and in the front section over here I'm gonna attach some handles and clips. So we're gonna be using these 1x2 base plates with handles on them. These are going to go at the bottom like this, and in the top section we're going to be using these 1x2 base plates as well, but with clips on them instead, center clips embedded in them. And come back here. Alright, so here is the general aspect of our sort of backpack that we're going to attach later on to Joey. But we are not going to be just attaching it to his back. This jetpack is going to have special handholds, so Joey can just hold on to them and, you know, control the jetpack. So we're going to put this aside, and we're going to make one of the handholds. So this is going to use quite a lot of small pieces. So we're going to be first using this bar with a clip on the end of it like this. And we're going to be using this sort of adapter for a bar over here with a handle as well. We're just going to snap it in like this. Okay, that's the first part. Now we're going to need another one of those bars with a clip on the end. We're going to attach it into this handle over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to get this special handle piece over here, this special handle piece as well in black, and we're just going to place it on top of the clip like on top of the bar like so, and we're gonna get this small round tile like this in dark red. We're just gonna snap it on like this for a little bit of decoration, and here we have one of the handles. So this handle, all we need to do is we need to bring back our pack over here and clip it to one of the handles over here. So here's our first handle, and this is what Joey is going to hold. So now it's time to make the other handle, which is going to be exactly the same. So I suppose it's time for a little break now and have the fact of the day. So Johnny, what can you give us today? So the fact of the day is actual jetpacks or rocket packs can only last 30 seconds in the air. However, they're great in space since there's no gravity. This is exactly why we have a space pilot with this, because rocket packs, I suppose, are really difficult to manage down on the ground, but in space, you know, they just float about, so you can direct wherever you like. So here we go, we have two handles over here, and now we just want to add a little bit of decoration to these clips over here. This is a very small build, so we're going to be using more of those handle pieces. I'm going to attach one here and another one over here, and we're going to add some unique additions, sort of upgrades to this jetpack over here. So we're going to be using this lever sort of piece, and we're just going to attach it onto one of the stems over here. This is going to be a little sort of communications antenna, and as well we're going to be using this sort of fire hydrant piece or handle piece as well in black. I believe this black and red looks really nice, and we're going to be using these translucent white studs like this. In fact, we're going to get 2 of them to make a very nice searchlight. We're going to attach it into this handle over here as well. And there we've done it. There we have it, our teeny tiny jetpack is complete. I've tried very hard to make this jetpack as realistic as possible. So now all we need to do now is bring Spaceman Joey and clip him into the jetpack. So rather than attaching him with a bracket on his back, we're going to simply just... I broke it. Oh well, I'll catch you up later. So there we go, I've managed to clip Joey in over here. Now these handles are really very adjustable because they're sitting on clips and handles and bars as well that swivel in all sort of directions, so you can position the handles however you like. And I gotta say, he looks pretty safe in there. You know, it's very nice and closed up, round and chunky. Searchlight over here and a little antenna. So he's all ready to go out into space with his lovely... Even the colors sort of match him as well. So off he goes like... But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you. And until next time, happy building!